Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys today. Today was a great day. We've had a massive crypto pump, and I want to dive into it and kind of pick it apart a little bit with you guys and talk about how CRO Coin's flying, Tectonic is flying, Solana. Oh man, that's the talk of the town. But let's dive into this, guys. So we are at 6,500 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we will be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And when we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT, guys, worth about 2,500 bucks. Super excited to give that away. If you are a YouTube member, you get plus 10 additional entries each month. You are a member to win this line. So let's hop into this. So first off, I want to start off with I made a tweet back in December. Can Solana be a phoenix and rise from its ashes next bull run? And then last night I retweeted and said TikTok because, well, guys, Solana is up 32%, and honestly, we reached about $24 on Solana, and it was ridiculous. We were up about 44% in a single day, which is absolutely incredible. I mean, but look at the overall market. I mean, oh man, I like to just look at that for a little while. It's been a while since we've seen something like this anywhere in the crypto market or in the traditional market. Just all green, dark green spots, dot, near, Solana pumping super hard. CRO Coin has been pumping super hard, which we'll get into the charts of that shortly. I mean, everything has been pumping super hard. I love it, guys. I love it. I mean, everyone was so bearish, so bearish, and sure, this may be a bear market rally, but I'm until we get confirmations and candle closes, I'm not willing to say that we're not going to keep going up. I'm not willing to make a decision, a trading decision if we're going up or down from here. But yeah, I mean, look, Solana, guys, up 32.82% since last night. Absolutely absurd. I mean, all the FUD surrounding Solana when they were getting wrecked by FTX and we're down at basically $7. I mean, we'll look at that shortly. But let's look over at Cronos. So, guys, I love to see it. Look at that. We blew past this resistance, and I said this in one of my previous videos. I said, I have a feeling that this resistance level is going to be weak. It's going to be a very weak because we were stair-stepping up. And, stair-stepping is when you come up a lot in the green, a little bit in the red, up a lot in the green, a little bit in the red, up a lot of green, a little bit in the red, and so on and so forth like that. But, guys, this right here, we blew past this 6.0686 cents range on CRO Coin like it was nothing. And I kind of knew that was going to happen because we blew through it before because of the FTX capitulation. The order book was not heavy there at all. I mean, it just blew past it. And now guys, we're at 7.5 cents. It's beautiful to see. I mean, we're up right now from the bottom. Wow, we are up 40.27%, guys. And I think we're just starting, honestly. I think that we got a lot more room to go. Next stop here is, we're testing this this resistance level at about 0.0773 cents, and we're at 0.075 cents. So if we can get a 4-hourly close above that, I think our next stop is probably the 10-cent mark. So keep that in mind, guys. Let's go over at the daily chart for CRO Coin. I mean, yeah, that's awesome to see. That is awesome to see. We did wick up to the upside. We almost hit 8 cents on that wick. That's absurd. I love it. I love to see it, guys. We need the markets to be doing this because it's going to bring new eyes and eyes that have given up on crypto to come back and look at crypto. That's what we really are going to see from here. So Solana, I gotta talk about Solana, guys. It's absurd. Up 210% in the span of a month. I mean, oh my gosh, it's insane. All it took was a Vitalik Buterin sending a tweet out here, and I mean, sure, there's other factors, but man, it was oversold by far. But that's absurd. Bounced right off of the support, 953. It wicked down to about $7.85, which is insane on Solana. That's absolutely insane. But let's talk about Tonic. So Tonic is flying, guys, and I want to show you something that I see in the charts here on Tectonic that's very, very awesome and something to follow if you're a Tectonic holder. We're up here at 6 zeros, 7 zeros, and 7 zeros, 2115 on Tectonic right now. And if you scroll out, guys, we're above all of these peaks down here for resistance levels. We broke right through that, guys, which is very, very bullish. I would love to see that. However, I will say that this pattern, this pump kind of was a pre-pump before the entire market was pumping. So take that data as you want, but I will say that it's pretty awesome to see us above all these previous peaks right here, as this hopefully will turn into this resistance will turn into support, and I think that there's a good chance that that could happen where we can kind of, come down here, retest, and resume. That's what we want to see. We want to see a retest to validate that this will become support instead of resistance. That's what we want to see on Tectonic. If you're holding Tectonic, that's what you want to see, guys. That's what you want to see. So let's go over at Bitcoin. So I have officially changed the 423 days to 375 days. I remeasured this, and I'm going to call that the bottom was in at the $15,500 mark. Could it change? Yes, it could change. Could a lower low come in? Yes, it could. But I will say right now, if we're going to be getting a weekly candle close above 21,000, I think that it's going to validate this theory that this was the low over here. But time will tell. We did wick up to the upside, and I would have liked to see us break above this level of 21,500, get a candle close on the weekly. It can happen. It can happen. We still have a day and 9 hours on the weekly candle close, but I would definitely like to see a candle close above that level of the 21,700, because that's just a little area. If we come down here, it's just a lower high, unfortunately. But guys, I don't want to stay bearish on it because this is a huge move, and it could be the beginning. I mean, honestly, I do think that the bottom is in on Bitcoin. I'm very curious to see on Monday when the traditional market opens what will happen. Do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you think that the traditional market will pump because of the crypto move, or if it will do something like this, get rejected off of this resistance, or if it will just do nothing and trade sideways. I'm really curious. Personally, I don't know, because usually during the weekends, the price movement of crypto kind of gets invalidated. So keep that in mind, but it's really, really difficult to invalidate some of these 40, 50%, 20% moves in a day. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. But I will say that I think there's a good chance that we break above this and we come to the upside and a risk-on asset rally starts. So I'm leaning into that. I really am, guys. I'm pretty bullish. I'm optimistically bullish right now, guys. I love to see the pumps that we have. I think that regardless if we come back down, this is what the crypto space needed. I mean, we were trading sideways for over a year, guys, down to the side for over a year, and this is kind of a glimmer of hope for some people to show people, we're not going to the price is not always going to be going down. It's not always going to be going down. There's movements to the upside. Just to kind of a reminder to people that haven't been in this space for at least one cycle, people that bought in at 69K, God bless their soul. People that bought 69K and just rode this all the way down, maybe they can see now, wait a second, maybe I didn't buy the top. Maybe there's room for you. Maybe this technology is here to stay. Maybe there is some weight to Bitcoin and to these other altcoins. And that's what you want to see. When we start getting pumps, people will come back and this technology will expand. Mass adoption will keep expanding. And that's what we need. So it's very, very good for the community and for the ecosystem as a whole to see some price movements like that on Bitcoin and the crypto market. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member. It helps us out a lot, and you get lots of cool membership perks. For our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, you get loyalty badges as well as some custom emojis, as well as access to our private Discord with CryptoKip and I. We give trading signals, NFT alpha, there's NFT whitelist giveaways, lots of cool stuff to talk one-on-one with us, and we're going to be doing weekly calls with some of our members on Patreon and on if you're a YouTube member. And on top of that, if you are a YouTube member, you get plus 10 additional entries to winning this loaded line NFT. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving this bad boy away. And there's going to be a lot more NFT giveaways and other giveaways to come. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.